Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Leiden Heredia and today we will be preparing Singy chicken stir fry. For making this delicious recipe happen, we will need some shredded chicken breast. We also will need some sesame seeds. Also we will need soy sauce, honey, the juice of 2 limes, some carrots, spaghetti, and some coriander leaves. You will also need 2 spoons of sunflower oil. So let's do it.
First of all, we must measure and cook the noodles as the pack says. When they're done, remember to cut the cooking process adding cold water. Add a spoon of oil to the noodles. After that, shake the noodles very well so they will mix with the oil. Reserve the noodles for later and peel and cut on thin slices the carrot. Heat a wok, add some oil and put on it the chicken and the carrots. While it cooks on medium heat, add salt and pepper and start toasting the seeds. Stir frequently until brown. Now add it to the carrots and the chicken. Mix it well and add the lime juice. Also add the honey and the soy sauce. Mix well and let cook for some minutes. Mix very well with the spaghetti and let it cook on low heat for 2 or 3 minutes. Mince some coriander. Serve a good portion of the Singy chicken stir fry and add some coriander on top, and if you have some Parmesan cheese, it will be a delicious meal.
For a second recipe, we will make English muffin egg pizza. We will need, of course, 2 English muffin. As I don't have, I will just use some burger bread. Also, we will need tomato, we will need 2 hard-boiled eggs, salt, oregano, and also mozzarella cheese. Let's do it.
I will be using the air fryer for this recipe. First of all, I put the bread 3 minutes on the air fryer. Meanwhile, I'll chop some slices of tomato. I will peel the eggs and also cut it onto the slices. With all the things ready, I will put it together. Put the bread, some shredded cheese on top, 2 slices of tomato, more cheese, the hard-boiled eggs, and a little bit more of cheese, a little bit of salt, oregano, and the oil. Let's put this on the air fryer for 4 minutes. And after that, the cheese is melted and it looks really delicious. Bon appetit!